Software installation and patching. Software have to be always kept up to date or patched in order to protect your device. Outdated software are more susceptible to cyber attackers as they can exploit vulnerabilities that have been discovered but not yet patched. These updates fix bugs, improve performance, add new features, or address security vulnerabilities. As of September 2023, there were an estimated 4.5 billion breach records, compared to the 31.5 million breach records in 2022. Your IT department will usually take care of this, but it is important to be aware of this and you should not block any updates pushed to your system. Your IT department will usually have a patch management process to follow in order to ensure software are always kept up to date. This process will usually include the steps to take to identify, acquire, install, and verify patches for various software being used.